In this video, we're going to show you how to install the power steering pressure switch on your Honda Ridgeline, located just above the passenger side of the power steering rack. Using a 22mm socket, you want to go loosen and remove your lug nuts. Now that you have your lug nuts removed, grab that wheel, remove it, and set it aside. Now what we have here is a thin wall 17mm open-end wrench, and on the other side is a standard size 17mm wrench. Now the thicker wrench is on the power steering line. There is a four-sided portion of the line that you want to secure, otherwise you can break the power steering line. You don't want that to happen. And then there's a limited amount of space on the nut side of the sensor itself, or the pressure switch. So you got to hold the hard line and unthread that. Now once you break that free, I'm going to go ahead and pull our wrenches out. And we do want to disconnect that connector here. So there's a little tab right on the side. We're going to press in on that and pull that harness off. Sometimes you can use a pair of pliers like this here. These are actual hose pliers. I'm going to use these here to pinch that connector. There it is. Slide that off, and then we can unthread this here. Now just before we remove that all the way, you are going to lose some power steering fluid from this. So we do have some towels underneath. We're going to spin this out and then grab our new sensor. Now this has an O-ring on it. Line that up, thread that in. All right, let's go ahead and snug that down using those two wrenches. Now the new sensor itself is an 18mm, not a 17 like the original one. And that's it. Just snug down. Electrical connector. Once you have that lined up, it's going to push it on. You should feel it and hear it snap on. And there it is. So at that point there, you can go ahead and install your wheel. Okay, you can grab that wheel. Line that up. Let's go ahead and get our lug nuts all started by hand. Once these are all started, I'm going to go ahead and snug them all down. Torque down your lug nuts to 94 foot-pounds. When doing this, you want to do this in a crisscross or star pattern.
When only the best will do, demand TRQ. The only company that lets you view before you do. TRQ is committed to offering the highest quality aftermarket auto parts that are engineered for peace of mind. Thanks for using and viewing with TRQ.